Welcome to the production ready code, and today is money handling. So in Java, 0.1 plus 0.2 does not equal 0.3. And if you are using float or double to handle money in your code, you are silently creating rounding errors that can cost you or your clients thousands. As you can see, summing these two values will result this number. And if you compare to 0.3, that means that you get false in result. That makes them unsuitable for financial calculations. This happens because computers think in binary and some simple decimal numbers like 0.1 cannot be perfectly represented in binary. It becomes an infinitely repeating fraction. The computer is forced to cut it off at some point, creating a tiny rounding error. When you perform calculations, these tiny errors accumulate. The solution and the only professional way to handle money in Java is using BigDecimal class. BigDecimal is designed for high precision arithmetic. The first critical rules always create it from the string, not from a double. Creating it from a double will just carry the original error into your BigDecimal. You don't use standard operators, you use its methods: add, multiply, and so on. As you can see, when we add the BigDecimal versions of 0.1 and 0.2, we get the result 0.3. And most important thing is, BigDecimal gives you full control over rounding. When calculating something like sales taxes, you can explicitly set the number of decimal places and the rounding mode, like half up, which is standard in finance. This eliminates all guesswork. The rule is simple: if it's money, if it's currency, if it requires perfect precision, use BigDecimal. No exceptions. Anything else is a production bug waiting to happen. That's production ready code. Subscribe.